This video is a short tutorial on how to use ContextMiner. Basically, ContextMiner is a tool for curators to find and organize videos, as well as the contextual information of these videos. A curator would use ContextMiner to collect data or videos, as well as to collect the metadata and contextual information related to those videos from various sources. The second feature is the user side, which deals with the issues of presenting the information collected to users in a meaningful way. This tutorial will cover how to use ContextMiner as a video curation tool. The interface a curator uses in ContextMiner is meant to be intuitive. A curator can issue specific searches to 3 databases: YouTube, OpenVideo, or Prelinger. This is the item entry page. This is the search window, which has a drop-down menu to indicate where the search will be done. There are also tabs for each of the 3 databases. You can select OpenVideo, Prelinger, or YouTube. Each of the database windows has the same metadata fields to the right. When the curator selects a video in the search window, ContextMiner automatically fills in the fields in the related database window. For example, let's do a search for film. Navigate to the search window, type in film, and let's do this search in OpenVideo. So these are the results for this specific database, OpenVideo. Technicolor for industrial films looks interesting. Let's select that. So since we had already selected OpenVideo in the drop-down menu, ContextMiner switches us to that window and displays the metadata that OpenVideo has for this video. From here we can use the arrow keys to bring to the right any of the information we want. We can also fill in manually any of the fields on the right. For example, if we knew the film was made by Kodak, we could type that in for the source author. When we're satisfied with an entry, we can click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to save the entry. If we go back to the search window and select Prelinger instead, we get a different set of results. Let's pick the first one. So now it opens the selection in the Prelinger window. It automatically pulls the same type of information, it's just in a different window. Again, we can pull over any of the metadata as well as manually adding it. So one way ContextMiner can help a curator is to automatically collect information from different databases about the same video. Sometimes we don't get everything we want from one source, so searching and comparing different sources is useful. Let's see if OpenVideo has the same amateur film of the Medicus collection. Navigate back to the search window. Type in amateur film, Medicus collection. We want to make sure we're searching in OpenVideo. We were looking at Reel 2, so select that one. So here's the metadata OpenVideo has. You can toggle between the Prelinger and OpenVideo windows to compare. Let's see, let's pull the title and description from Prelinger and the keywords and creation date from OpenVideo. Then click Submit to save all the metadata together. In this way, a curator can build an entry for a specific video. When searching in YouTube, you can also view the actual video with this interface. This can help when you're filling in the additional information manually, the who, where, when, and event. Let's try an example. Let's search for Radiohead. Select YouTube from the drop-down menu. Then let's select the second one, Creep. It's displaying any of the metadata YouTube has and lets you watch the video if you want. This looks like the music video for the song Creep. So we can pull over any of the metadata we want. And we can also fill in the additional data manually. So we can type in Radiohead for who, Creep music video for event, and then anything else in the additional info we wanted. For example, I'm going to type in from the album Pablo Honey, released by Capitol Records. When we've added all this, then we can click Submit. This short tutorial has given you an overview of the ContextMiner item entry interface and shown you how to search for videos and add metadata and contextual information associated with those videos.